What's good, everybody? This is Rah C, and this is the place to be, Haven's wonderful homestead. And as you see, I'm hand feeding these turkeys, guineas, and chickens. And I tell you what, man, they're a handful. It took them a while to learn not to eat my fingers, thumbs, and nails, but I think they're finally catching on. I got this in slow motion. You can see every splash, every gash, every bite, and every lunge these guys are searching for. We got 60 rare breeds from all over the world. We got the largest, Indigo Giagante, grows up to 3 foot tall, to the smallest, which is less than half a pound, and it's really, really tiny. Those are the Shermans. They're something special. They're even smaller than a quail. Alright, next we have the Ayam Cemani, which comes from Indonesia. They're completely black. They're white, their tongue, their eyes, their heart, their meat, their blood, everything's black.
Listen, Guineas got it. Nobody can mess with it.
And you'll see them. You just have to look for them. They're not out here trying to get no food, though. They ain't comfortable that much yet. Alright, now we playing some ball. As you see, the turkeys like to move the ball across the yard. If the guineas get the ball, they're considered like the referee. All game and play stops because they control the yard. Even though they're tiny, they're fearsome. No one messes with the guineas. And as you'll see in a minute, when the guineas get it, I have to get involved and take it from them, because otherwise no one else gets to have any more fun. This is what it's about, having a homestead. You can't focus on all work. You gotta have a little bit of fun with it. Otherwise, it'll just become a job. And with being responsible for all these beautiful, wonderful animals, it's so much more than a job. Look, a little bit wants to play too. She's like, I can catch and run. Look at me. I can move the ball around just like the turkeys. I love you, little bit of trouble. You're one in a million. And Juju, his grandfather, he's gonna get jealous in a minute too. And he's gonna want to play catch. He's like, how come I can't play? A little bit. Give me that. There you go, guys. See that Indigo Giagante right there? Boy, got some long legs. That guy grows up to 3 foot tall. As you see, the guineas, they finna take control over this situation. Well, not yet, they're not. I'm gonna hold this up, because they can't break through the shell. And until the shell's broke, no one's really interested in it. So right now, I'm letting, Juju, damn it, Juju. And now Juju thinks it's his game. I'm gonna steal it. Yep, he steals it in a nice way. Alright, stop. Sit. Drop. Thank you. Here you go, guys. Forget it. Now, Juju. Sit. Juju. Sit down. Drop it. Release. Good job. Juju was born in 2011. He is my foundation dog to create alien dog bloodline. He had such a calm and perfect temperament. He was ideal for what I wanted to establish. Especially with his beautiful big head and nice defined muscles. This guy is one in a million. He's only half the size he used to be, but he's only grown bigger in my heart. Watch out fast. Oh my god, they're devouring it. Them turkeys don't play. And these guys are full too. This is the only reason they ain't all doing cray in the hi. I'm trying to get a better view on it, but I'm not doing very good. This is me holding the camera off so I can try to capture everything. I can get back in the room. You're such a Little puppies are watching us play and they ain't getting no fun, so I didn't want to let the puppies out so we can work on their training. Only through socialization can we train our animals to be comfortable around these chickens. Dogs naturally want to chase, catch, and run after things. It's in their instincts. It's genetically built into them. So, to get dogs used to all these chickens, turkeys, ducks, and other animals, you have to release them and let them learn by experience. If you see an undesired trait, correct it, but only until that situation happens. So, a lot of times, you set the situation up for the unwanted behavior to show itself, and then you correct it. A lot of people get lost right there. It's pretty easy. These guys got so much energy. Yeah, dang it. You gotta slow their roll, man. I can't keep my camera on it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, if y'all don't want to hear my audio anymore, y'all let a brother know. God bless y'all, and remember, through God all things are possible. It only takes 5 minutes a day with these dogs to condition them and to get their training involved, to know that what is acceptable and what's not acceptable. And it always helps if you've got 2 trained dogs that already know the program. They can help establish. Oh, Choo-Choo, I love you, buddy. Little bit's learning pretty good on what's what and what's not. Homesteading is the way to go, especially with an unstable world like we live in. The more you can be self-sufficient and not have to worry about the stores or your government or the bank, the more off you'll be. You'll be able to sleep better at night knowing that you have a secure future for your family. And isn't this what it's all about? Supplying security and support to our families? What better than to do it on a farm where you can help establish chores and it builds responsibility on how to care and take care of things. I'm telling you, man. Alright, God bless y'all. Like and subscribe. We need your help.
He does it. He gets it all over his face. Get the booger and leave the nose alone.